Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a very fun Buryu's Forge haul. I got some really odd items for some of my favorite characters, and I'm excited to show you guys. So if you're excited to learn what I got, keep on watching. Another beautiful business card. Love those. Buryu, if you want to stop sending me them, I've got plenty. I have one on my fridge. Ooh, I love Buryu so much. Okay, I got a set of Sid02. I got these feet that were designed by Sidorak that are designed to look like Tohunga feet from the 2001 Happy Meals. I got some in black, and Buryu actually sent me, looks like he sent me 3 copies of each. I ordered 2 of each. He gave me 3. He's always good about sending extras just in case, and I really always appreciate that about Buryu's Forge. I can never recommend Buryu's Forge enough. I don't know if you guys have gathered by now. I got 1 set, and those are for Nabi, and those are in black. They look so good. Are you kidding? Oh, that one's a little loose. Wait. Here's Nabi with his little toes. I love the look of the Tohunga feet, but they don't really work well with many builds. So having these pieces is such a godsend. Like, these are amazing. Are you kidding? All right, so there's Nabi's feet. And then I got another set for Miss Kafu of Matanui. She looks so cute with her little toes. That's the bottom. They look cool. The top, it just like, it looks so well. It looks like a real Bionicle piece. That's what I always appreciate about Buryu. And she is all 100% complete, so check her out. She looks so good. This was a pretty short one today, guys. I just got those 2 sets of items from Buryu's Forge. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Sidorak, for designing these awesome pieces. Thank you, Buryu, for printing and painting and shipping them to me from Canada. Authentic Canadian Bionicles. You guys know I'm a big fan of authentic Canadian Bionicles here on this channel. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the world famous GordyBear1 YouTube channel. And make sure you leave a comment down below. Are you more excited for Kafu or are you more excited for Nabi? Let me know down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace, y'all.